Meaning of herbivore.
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 Herbivore. Herbivore refers to an animal that mainly feeds on plants, grasses, leaves, fruits and other plant-based material. They do not consume meat or other animal-derived foods. Herbivores have special digestive systems that help them extract and digest nutrients from plant material. These animals play an important role in maintaining ecological balance by controlling plant growth and shaping landscapes. Some common examples of herbivores include deer, cows, sheep, rabbits, elephants, and many species of birds. Although herbivores may sometimes face challenges in finding adequate food sources, they have adapted to survive on a plant-based diet.